name is Ashley Stearns. I'm the owner of Blush Skin and Soul Spa. I'm also a Reiki master and a licensed esthetician.
Hi, I'm Jules LaRusso and I am the owner of Bloom Etc. Based out of York, Maine. I am also a Reiki master.
So Kindness Kits were inspired really by our love for self-care and also living our lives with intention.
I've noticed that there's been a major shift in health and what we're consuming not only in our bodies, but also what we're putting on our bodies. So when I research all of these things, I'm making sure that they're certified organic, and the things that can be fair trade, I'm making sure that those are fair trade. Those are both equally as important to me as I know they are to the consumers. So that is like top priority.
There's lots of different things that you might get in the kit. Things like a small face mask, a lovely candle.
And these candles are all affirmation candles, so the idea behind them is when you light the candle, you say the affirmation, and that's gonna be the energy that kind of washes over you during whatever session you're having.
You might also find things like room spritzes to just kind of enhance the aroma experience and really get you in the mood to nurture yourself.
Different things like maybe Palo Santo or different types of incense. There's also going to be a tea blend in the kit, and each of the tea blends is going to be curated to something a little bit different. There's also going to be some things like the bath salts in the kit as well. The bath salts are really wonderful because they can also draw in certain energy. So you have pink Himalayan sea salt, Epsom salt, lavender, and then there's going to be different herbs in there as well. So the Epsom salt can help to calm. It's also anti-inflammatory. Same thing with the Himalayan salt, but that's also going to be cleansing. And then the hibiscus is going to soothe and soften the skin, and it's also wound healing. So if you have any cuts or scrapes or bruises, it can help to soften and ease those as well. I think anybody can benefit from self-care. It's not exclusive to men, it's not exclusive to women. I think it's something that anybody can incorporate. So if you're feeling like you need a little spiritual boost or you just want to try something new,